Ford prepares its new Mustang for mass production in Dearborn, Michigan. Stamped steel components begin the Mustang's journey through Ford's organized production system. Massive mechanical presses shape flat steel into the Mustang's distinctive body panels. Repeated stamping operations create identical panels suitable for high-volume automobile production. Workers align stamped panels before joining the Mustang's steel body structure. Resistance welding locks the steel panels together at precisely positioned structural joints. The unfinished body advances while workers verify alignment before further assembly. Workers strengthen the body shell with precisely positioned structural components. Inspectors check critical body dimensions before the shell moves toward final preparation. The finished body shell leaves structural assembly and enters preparation for its final finish.